In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add another account on Trello and switch between multiple accounts easily. This is perfect if you use Trello for both personal and work projects, or if you manage different clients with separate accounts. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can log into another Trello account without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what this actually means. When people say they want to add another account on Trello, they usually mean they want to log into multiple Trello accounts and switch between them when needed. For example, you might have one Trello account connected to your work email and another connected to your personal email. To do this, start by opening Trello in your web browser. You can go to Trello.com and make sure you're currently logged into one of your accounts. Once Trello is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or initials there. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, scroll down and click Log Out. This will safely log you out of your current Trello account. After logging out, you'll be taken back to the Trello login page. Here, click on the Login button. Now, enter the email address and password for the other Trello account you want to access. Make sure you type the correct email associated with that account. Then click Login. And that's it. You're now inside your second Trello account. Whenever you want to switch back to the first account, simply repeat the same process. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, select Log Out, and then log in again with the other email and password. Repeat the process anytime you need to switch. If you switch accounts frequently, here's a helpful tip. You can use different browsers for different Trello accounts. For example, you could log into your work Trello account in Google Chrome and your personal Trello account in Microsoft Edge or Firefox. That way, you don't have to constantly log out and back in. Another option is to use an incognito or private browsing window. This allows you to log into a second Trello account without logging out of the first one in your main browser window. Simply open an incognito window, go to Trello.com, and log in with your other account details. This can save you a lot of time if you're managing multiple boards across different accounts. It's also important to remember that Trello accounts are tied to email addresses. So if you're trying to access another account and it's not working, double-check that you're using the correct email address and password combination. If needed, you can use the Forgot Password option to reset your login details. Managing multiple Trello accounts is very common, especially for freelancers, remote workers, and business owners. Once you understand that switching accounts simply requires logging out and logging back in, the process becomes very straightforward. So to quickly recap, open Trello, click your profile picture in the top right, click Log Out, then click Log In and enter the other account's email and password. Repeat the process anytime you need to switch. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy to follow. If it helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.